Greeting of the days. Today I am Vasu. I will discuss about the various rates used in the hotel industry. First of all, there is a rack rate. Rack rate is a minimum standard rate which is set up by the any hotel. In this rate, there will be no discount given, and it is a basic price of any hotel rooms. Now next we come to the seasonal rate. What is seasonal rate? Seasonal rate is a rate in which varies from season to season. Like in some seasons, there will rate will be at very high peak, and in some seasons, the rate will be at their lowest. Now I can give example of the like we go to the Himachal Pradesh in summer seasons. In summer season, there will be very high rate, and in as compared to the winters, as in winter there will be a low rate, and in summer there will be high rate. Why this is? Because in summer season there will be very much high demand of the hotel rooms and the tourism packages as compared to the winter, because as we know that due to the some geographical conditions, this will be happen. Now next we come to the corporate rate. What is corporate rate? It basically tracks the corporate market towards it and gives special discount to the corporate officials. Like it has some special discount for the corporate market, and it attracts the corporate market towards them. Now next we come to the group rate. What is group rate? Basically group rate is a special discount given to the group of peoples that will check into the hotels or any tourism packages. Now why the group rate is given? Basically it will help to the it will help to fulfill the occupancy of the hotels, and the all and it cover all the vacant rooms. Group rate is specially given to the large group of the peoples which are traveling from one place to another. Now next rate is travel agent rate. Basically there are many travel agent sites from which we book our bookings, like MakeMyTrip.com, GoIbibo. All these are travel agent sites, and travel agent rate includes travel agent commission by the hotels. It is beneficiary to the both hotel and the travel agent. Travel agent is mainly a middleman which helps the guest and hotel to intermediate. And sometimes travel agent give us the various plans, customized plans, and gain his profit. Now next rate come is crib rate. What is crib rate? Basically crib rate is rate that will be given for the extra bed set up in the hotel room. Now why there is need of set up extra bed? Crib means basically small kids beds. Like if we have infant by with the family, so basically they will require a crib for the infant, so they will call for the crib. So we will give them a crib, and that will be known as crib rate. Now next we come to the weekday weekend rate. What is weekday rate? Basically now, as we have talked about the seasonal rate, similarly there is weekday and weekend rate. Like hotel will see that how much hotel have occupancy more on the weekdays and weekends. Like sometimes we have to go on the weekends. We are planning to go outside on the weekend on some place, and hotel has more occupancy on the weekends. So demand of the hotel is more in the weekend as compared to the weekdays. So hotel will charge more rate on the weekdays. Now next I will come to talk about the airline or crew rate. What is airline and crew rate? Like special rates given to the airlines while traveling from one place to another is known as airline or crew rate. Like we all know that airlines air crews has to travel from one place to another in a frequent amount of time. So basically they will have to stay on one or particular place for some time, for just being a little time or for being a 1 day 2 days. So special rate are given to the airlines are known as airline or crew rate. Basically these rates are given by the hotels near the airports, which are also known as Aerocities hotels. Now next I will talk about the uh, government rate. What is government rate? Government rate is a basically that rate which has been given to the government officials who are going to one place to another for their government operations or on their own government duties set by the governments. They will have some special rate for their staying and for their accommodations and all the facilities with some special government discounts that will be offered to them. Next we will talk about the educational rate. Now basically what is educational rate? Like I have to go somewhere for my study purposes, and we all know that students do not have a much amount of money to they spend, because they are already spending money on their educationals and their external affairs, and not external affairs and their external well-being and things for their settlements. So rate provided to the students with the special discounts for educational purposes staying is known as educational rate. Now next we come to talk about the uh, complementary rate. What is complementary rate? Complementary rates are those rates which is like in some hotels some room are reserved for the complimentary purposes, which do not discount any rate based like rack rates. They do not charge also the rack rates are known as complimentary rates. It is basically given in the complimentary to the owner of the company who has booked large amount of the books for our hotels, or for any other person who is able to get the complimentary rates are mainly manager of that hotel or being well personality person which is well known. They are given complimentary rooms. Now next I will talk about the uh, half day and day rate. What is half day and day rate? Half day and day rate are that rates like we are staying in the hotels for uh, for not full day, for not the overnight, and that hotel will charge for the half day is known as half day rate. Basic purpose of making this video is about to tell you about the different rates by which hotel industry charges and how the each rate is different from one another. Hope you like the video. Thank you very much and have a good day.